Number 5, rebuild your discipline. 1 Timothy 4:7 reads, exercise thyself rather unto godliness. Discipline is consistent practice that develops spiritual strength. Spiritual growth requires intentional habits. We must pray. We must study. We must serve. We must worship to build spiritual resilience. Just like athletes, they have to train daily to remain strong. See, it's like strengthening your muscles through repeated exercise. Discipline is the scaffolding that supports spiritual growth. When you're disciplined, you have a greater chance of winning the race. Remember, Daniel practiced disciplined prayer 3 times a day. A believer must set aside time, daily quiet time, to be in the presence of God. You see, motivation will get you started, but discipline keeps you going.